Happy Star Wars Day, everyone. Today is May the 4th, and we are going to make a cool Star Wars project using some cholla wood. This piece comes from a cactus plant. It looks super cool, and it's going to look even better because at the end of this episode, we are going to glow it up like a Christmas tree. You won't want to miss it. Let's get started. So now that we've finished turning, we can start sanding and polishing. So the egg is now all finished and it's time for the grand reveal.
It is.
Are you ready, darling?
I'm ready.
To see our May the 4th special project. Lift the lid. Let's show everyone.
Wow.
Now this is your first time seeing it too, isn't it, darling?
Holy moly.
I snuck out and turned this one.
That blue is insane.
It is, isn't it? Have a look at the bottom. It is fully see-through.
Wow.
So that is a piece of cholla, like we said at the start of this episode. It comes from the cactus plant. They actually use these for aquariums a lot in your fish tank.
Yep.
Fish can swim in there and hide. And it comes from the cactus plant. Look at all the holes in there.
That's crazy.
Now, as you guys saw in the episode at the start, I filled the blue resin with glow powder.
Yes.
Right? And I'm hoping that it glows through all these cholla holes.
I hope so.
You can see all the holes there and at the bottom. So that is the plan. We also use the vac chamber to draw the resin into the cholla a little bit. So hopefully we get little specks of glow.
Yeah, because you've got all those little holes in there. So hopefully it's all gone into those little holes.
Yep, let's hope so. Now, one thing you will notice, I'm not too sure what happened to Princess Leia's head. But she didn't like the pressure pot too much.
She got a bit hot-headed.
She did get a bit hot-headed. She split her head open a little bit. But it still looks absolutely amazing. We've got the Starry Night in there. So I think what we need to do, darling, is turn the lights out. We'll glow it up.
Yes.
And see how this one looks. Okay, whenever you are ready, you can turn the light off. Oh, wow.
Wow, look at that.
Check it out. It did go into all the little cracks.
Yeah.
Oh, my goodness.
That's insane.
Look at the glow on that.
Wow.
Holy crap, doll.
She's sitting on another planet.
That looks amazing. Oh, my goodness. I didn't think it was going to glow that well.
Yeah.
Well, that is it for today's episode. We hope you enjoyed this one. If you did, let us know by hitting the thumbs up down below. But please only do it if you feel this video deserves it. Now, the question for today is, nice and easy, what's your favourite Star Wars movie?
Yep.
For me, it's the original Star Wars.
The very first one?
Yeah, which I think is episode 1.
Yeah.
I'm not a fan of the new episodes.
I don't know. I like the one with Jar Jar Binks in it.
Oh, do you?
Yeah. I think he's funny.
Nah, give me the original trio, mate. They're the best.
Fair enough.
But yeah, that is it for today's episode. We hope you enjoyed this one. We will catch you on the next one.
See ya.